Today we are going to be traveling to France. Now, France is in a different continent called Europe. And France is a country, just like the United States of America. So if you look at your world map that you have here in the beginning of your holidays around the world, you can see North America here, and that's where we live. And we're traveling all the way over to Europe. And France is right there. If you can see a star on the bottom right here, and the word France is actually here in the ocean. You can see if you can find it with your family. See where France is and say you traveled all the way there today to learn about their Christmas. So Christmas looks a little bit different in France. In France, children call Santa Père Noël. So I may be saying that a little bit wrong, but it's close. Père Noël. Children leave their shoes out on Christmas Eve so that Père Noël can fill them with toys, nuts, and fruit. So it looks a little bit different than us because we normally leave stockings, right? Children spend time with their families, feasting and singing Christmas carols, which sounds similar to ours. So here is a French Christmas carol called Saint Enfant. And so this is all in French right here, and then the English version is here. So if you want to pause the video and try it with your family, you absolutely can. So now that we've learned a little bit about what Christmas looks like in France and how it's different and how it's similar, go ahead and watch the next video so we can do our sheet together about Christmas in France. And then you're going to head to our virtual classroom for Christmas in France, and you can learn all about different things that they do in France. So there's lots of videos on there, there's songs, there's also a book that you can watch about a child named Madeline on Christmas in France.